Since we are stuck at home during this time, I wanted to show you how you can find eBooks through our library catalog. So the first thing that you'll want to do is go to our Hearn Elementary website, or you could just go to Franklin County Schools. That'll also get you to the same place. Once you get there, hover your mouse over Students and scroll down to Library Catalog. Once you get here, you should be able to see the login button up in the top right, which is your Google login, so your regular student email and your 212 number. If you are having trouble logging in, let me know and I can reset that password through Destiny for you to make sure that you can log in. So go ahead and log in. And then you will want to go to catalog. And over here, you will want to go click on Destiny Discover. Once you get to Destiny Discover, lots of you have seen this before. You can see recently added books, popular titles, topics. But if you keep scrolling down, you'll notice that we have eBooks. There's also audiobooks here as well. But I was going to show you eBooks. If you go ahead over here to the right where it says See All, if you go ahead and click that, and it'll show you all of the eBooks that we currently have in our collection. So say, for instance, you are interested in Peter Pan. There are a couple options here. You can favorite it if you really like it. You can check it out, or you can open it just to read it right then and there. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. And I was already in this book earlier, so it's already on a different page. I apologize. Let me go back to the beginning. Okay, so once you get into your book, you can, click left to go to the left or click on the right arrow to flip through the pages. And what I love about these ebooks is there is a feature. Actually, it has a lot of features. So I'm just going to tell you about this toolbar up here. If you click on book options, this will take you back and it'll let you browse the book, which is what we're doing right now. Or you can also digitally check it out. This play button here will read it aloud to you.
I'm put away. Oh, how Mrs.
Okay, so let me change that. So you heard it reading, but you can change the different voices. So if you click on this little kind of speaker looking button, that's your audio options. You can change the speed. It goes from slower, normal, faster, and fastest. You can also choose if you want it to highlight it word by word, if you want it to highlight the whole sentence at a time, or if you don't want it to highlight anything as it reads. And then you can choose the different voices that they have available. So for instance, I might choose UK English female.
Oh, how Mrs. Darling would wrinkle her forehead.
Darling would wrinkle her forehead sometimes at the sweet things she found in her children's minds, wondering where on earth they had picked them up.
Okay, so as I'm scrolling through here, looks like between words and sentences, words only has 2 voices available, whereas sentences has quite a few more options available for that. The next option is your display. So if you need larger text, you can kind of scroll and make it larger, or if you prefer it smaller, looks like that is pretty small. So it's has quite a good range of text sizes there. You can choose to display 1 page at a time or 2. And then you can also play around with the theme. So if you'd rather have kind of a black background, tan, looks like gray, or navy, there you can choose as well. So lots of different display options. You can choose to put a bookmark, which I have not played around with this. So let's see. Okay, so you can add it, and it looks like you can also delete it as well. And then I thought this was really cool too. You can add notes. So, for example, if you want to highlight a sentence or word, you have these options here. You can highlight it. You can, let's see, you can add a note. So, for example, I love this quote. Okay, save. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, well, I can't highlight it all the way. Okay, you can define. So if there's a word that you don't know, you can highlight it and it'll give you a definition. Or you can also Google. So I'm just playing around with it here. I don't know what it will show up for Google, but let's see. Neverland, A Chance in Life. Okay, so this is kind of random things right now just because I highlighted a random kind of snippet there. But you can add things, you can highlight, you can add notes, you can highlight. There's all kinds of different things that you can do there. Let's see. So the search option, I wonder if you can search by page. Again, I have not done that, but let's see if we can. No. So if there is a way to search for a page, I don't know offhand. I mean, you can drag this little bar at the bottom and get to a page number a little bit faster instead of flipping, if that works for you. And then there's a little help icon too. So lots of different things that you can do with an ebook. And it looks like if you click over here, there's 3 bars over to the left. If you click on those, you can also easily go to whatever chapter that you are looking for. Oh, here we go. Go to page. So if you want to go to page, let's say page 50, you can just type it in and click go. So that's a way to do that. It's just up here in the left on menu. You can go to page or click on something from the table of contents. So once you're all finished, you can close the book. And that is that. So I just thought that that may be helpful for you while we are stuck inside. And if you can't physically go out to get a book, certainly check out some ebooks as well, because those are available to you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me and I will answer any questions that you have.